What is leaky gut and what causes leaky gut? So leaky gut means the intestine cells, they're called enterocytes. They are connected tightly next to each other with these tight junctions. And because of the SAD diet, standard American diet, which is highly inflammatory for the body, for the GI system, these tight junctions are dissolved and there's going to be gap in between them. And this gap between the cells causes this food that is partially digested going inside the bloodstream and causing havoc inside the bloodstream and causing lots of allergies, causing inflammation, which leads to chronic diseases. So the first step to avoid all of that is to clean out our diet and eat a healthy, a truly healthy diet, very low in grains, high in healthy fat, and moderate in proteins. And make sure if you are using beans and grains, which should be very little amount in your diet, you want to properly prepare them. You want to soak them overnight to get rid of the anti-nutrients that are in these beans. If you're using nuts and seeds, you definitely want to soak them overnight. You want to sprout them, and that's the best way to prepare your grains and your nuts and your nuts and seeds and your beans, to soak them overnight, to sprout them, and then cook them. And you want to cook them very well. You don't want them to be undercooked, because then the anti-nutrients are going to bother your GI system.